Hi guys, today we're looking at carpet problems, and a major problem you've got is when you've got an old cottage with a fireplace. This is what you tend to find. Lift it up. Oh no, what we're gonna do? Problems. These are called draft marks, and that comes off. That's just coal dust muck. So there is a way to deal with that, and that is Stain Pro by Prochem. Now there's no bleachers in this, but I'm going to show you how to use that. So all you need is something like this, which is a hose lock bottle, which is half a litre. Okay. And now we'll just give that a little bit of a shake. I've already put some water in this, so I'm going to put a tiny bit of this in. Just a drop. All you need. Very, very strong. This is 5 litre. We got this for around the home because we used to have pets, and this was the one thing that would get any stains out. And of course, dropping coffee, blood, milk, excellent for that. The only thing I will say about this, with food and coffee especially, you need to get it in the early stages because some stains just won't come out, but it will tell you that on the tub there. Right, okay, so we've applied our mix. Quite simply, screw the base. You don't need a lot. And we're going to spray. Right. Get that in there. You should be able to see that. Right. Okay. So once that's in, get yourself a little nail brush or something larger. Give it a rub in. Alright, and we're probably going to do this edge as well, because to be honest with you, it's a good idea to go all the way around. It's a good idea to have a nail brush as well, because sometimes they'll get in where the biggest rubber brushes won't. Just get in there. And there's another little tip that I've learned as well. An old toothbrush, that's really good for just getting in those little gaps. Really good for those hard to reach gaps. So if you have an old toothbrush, keep a couple lying around because they're really good for just getting in those little gaps, yeah. Some of these are burn marks. They were in before we rented the house. This just comes off the fire. So, now that's in, all we do is we fire up the carpet cleaner. Today we're using just a normal stair one hose, but it doesn't really matter which. Connect that up. Right. Give it a good soak. Don't worry about the tile. Watch the crack come out of here. You can see now where that's completely just, that was just black. I'm going to do around this area as well, which is that one. There you go, guys. Dead easy. You can see the difference already. Just took those black marks right out. So that's Prochem Stain Pro. That's a quick look at that. You can get that online or any carpet cleaning shop. Thanks for watching the videos. Why not subscribe for more handy hints and tips. Bye for now.